Going for the new sheets, I'll say subcategory again. I'm going for sales. So this time I'm saying I'm making my set. Set would be returning me a true or false only. This whether the data which I taken in a set is available in the group where you are validating the set. If it is there, it give you in option. If it is not there, it give you out option. Let me show you. So I am getting a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. For set, I'm having this icon, create set. So I click here. I'm creating a set. Let's say low selling items. I say okay. Now set will be added here, not in dimensions. So it's a separate entity altogether, whereas group is being considered as a dimension only. So let's see what will happen if I use this. I'll make out of this, and I want set to be utilized for the color. Let's see. So wherever I say values which I selected, which is inside a chart, I'll be getting in there. Value which is not inside my set, it'll consider as out. So whenever you are working on showing in or out relationship between the two between the group variables, you can use sets. Make sure you should differentiate between group and set. Group will create a subgroup inside your hierarchy, but whereas set it creates separate entity, whereas you will get an output in or out only from your data. So that's a set part. So you can edit your set. If you want to remove any value from here, you can remove it. So I say accessory should not be there in this set. So you can say accessory can be removed from here. I'll say apply. So henceforth, accessory would not be part of your group. But you will not be able to add value to set. For adding value into set, then you have to make another set and you have to merge the set.